and welcome to my video on how to cure hiccups instantly. Now, I get hiccups all the time, usually because I'm drinking beer, but you can get hiccups from other things too, and it's really annoying when you can't get rid of them. I've tried the tricks putting the spoon in the water and putting your head upside down and drinking water. No. Those do not work. So I'm going to share my super secret way to get rid of hiccups. But first, I need to acquire hiccups. So, cheers. Okay, it's days later, but I finally have the hiccups. It's taken some time to get these hiccups, but I have them, so I'm going to cure them in one moment. So this is my secret hiccup cure. Okay, you have to imagine something super scary. So you got to think of like a scary monster or a ghost. And that goes, get out of here, squish. That goes is right in front of you. Because, move back a bit. Because when you gasp in fear, that interrupts the hiccup nerve. And then the hiccups are cured. So, okay, picture a ghost or a monster or Donald Trump. 3. Okay, you ready? And just like that, my hiccups are cured. Hiccups are gone. No hiccups. Done. Instant hiccup cure.